So hello everyone. In this video, if you're just coming around from the playlists, previous videos from my playlist, so you're in the right path of learning it because you might have known what we have done so far. If not, you're directly from this video by clicking on how to split traffic. So we already created a couple of versions in the file and then trying to split the traffic between multiple versions. For example, we are in the version 2, so let's just make this as version 3, for example. Okay. Then yeah, of course, set project. Like I told you, previous video I had project set. Now I had reloaded. That's not project. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here. You're gonna see the project ID. Take the project ID, copy, paste, authorize, of course. Give it some time. Now it's set. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ls. So obviously we need to go into the default. Of course, that's what we've been doing. Tab, not dev. Okay. Default hyphen service. CD. Okay, no hyphen. It's a typo. So now we can see all the three stuff. So now what we're going to do is we're going to deploy the, for example, now it's going to deploy the version 3, but we are not going to give the people the public access. For example, in this case, we can check our version is working perfectly or not, so that we can keep the version 3. So we can see, for example, I'm going to give deploy Google Cloud. It's just a little bit slow. I don't know why. Unfortunately, it's not working. Okay. Cloud app deploy hyphen version is equal to v3 space hyphen no hyphen promote. So what this deploy does is that the new version without splitting any traffic. So for example, if I run QNS, file is loaded, working on it. So while it is working on, it will be giving you a URL like this. Even though, for example, we have given here version 3, which is the v3 of this code, so it must be showing v3. You will see once what it is giving, you will be able to understand, is this a use case where we can put it in a way where we can give the old version to the customers while we check around, we do a testing, user testing, we just go and check the URI and then keep on testing so that everything is working perfectly, and then change the traffic to this. So once this is done, we will click on this. Just copy. I'm sorry. Copy, come here, paste, close. Version 3. I think version 3. Even though it's version 3. Okay, we're directly going through version 3. Did we give no promote? I think we give no promote. No promote. Okay, let's just see the split. So the version 3, so okay, now I understand. Okay, now this is the version that we are able to see, but the customers will not be able to see. As you can see, the version split is still in 1. This is 1. So the version 2 is the only thing they will be able to see. So now what we're going to do is switch some traffic and see what's happening. For example, we're going to give some traffic to the version 3 and some traffic to the version 2. So how can we do that? Which is gcloud app services set traffic splits equal to version 3. I don't know why it's not working. Version 3 equal to 0.5, comma version 2 is equal to 0.5. So you just say 0.5, 0.5, oops, 0.5, 0.5. And if you want to specify, yes. So let's just give it some time. So saying note, splitting by traffic by IP. So some IPs will get this and some IPs will get version 2. For example, if I'm able to connect and I got version 3, I will only be able to get version 3, for example. Even if I close this and come back, I will be only able to get, let's just do a browse. Add browse, which is the split. Still, you can see this is the split. Version 2. Version 2. Again, made a typo. Version 2. See, this is version 2. Try this. Now we can see the split, version split. 0.5, 0.5. So we have 2 version splits. We can also see it here. Just in the versions, refresh. Outside. You can also see it right here in the versions, because we can do this as well. You know, by split, it's easy. I'll show you at the end of this video. So you can split it up like this as well, which is by IP. By default, this is done by IP. But let's say, you can also check by giving watch, but this has no meaning because our IP is already given. If I give this, it's going to show version 3, obviously. Command not found. Okay, I made a mistake. Control C. Watch curl. Not URL. Watch curl. Version 3, obviously. I'll just close it. Version 3, because we're giving this. Now what I'm going to do is going to show you another way which you can split by random. So there's 3 ways to do, which is split by IP, split by random, which is literally random. Another one is split by cookies. So I'll just show you how to split by random, which is you go back to the code, which is this. Then what you do is just you give space, hyphen, split, hyphen, by, equal to, random. Again, S. So now if you want, as you can see, it says splitting traffic by random. So it's not anymore IP, it will be like randomly split it up. So let's see. So this is this will be available only for us because we are giving version 3, but this is the original one. Let's keep on giving hits. It's version 2, still random to us, but it is by default random. So you can also do these things, giving traffics in the UI as well. Just give a refresh. For example, I'll just show you how to do this so that but you might be wondering, why would someone do in Google CLI, which is the command line interface, and we can do this as well, just to know the codes, because from the exam point of view, it's very important you know the stuff, what is happening. So it's version 2, 50%. So now all I want is I want every version to be 7. For example, this is now it's 50/50. Now all I want is to the version 1, so I click it. Then you click migrate traffic, migrate, and then once routing all the traffic to a selected version. So once this is done, all the traffics, it's literally writing a code 100% traffic. So I go. Still in version 2 because all the instances are running. So you have to run the version that you are in. Okay. You have to click this now. This is version 2. Version 3. So see, this is what I was saying. Now it will be in version 3. Yes. So this is how you split the traffic between the versions that you have. For example, if you again want to split, you just click split, and then you can select that, like I showed you, IP address, cookie, specify a name, cookie name, random, and then if you want 2 selections, you just give 2, version 2, and then you say you have this 50, the 30, 50/50, whatever it is. So this is how you do the splitting versions in GCP. I hope this was helpful. Catch you in the next one.